Victoria has no...
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.
So here we are, a day or so before, and we're just laying out all our kit, seeing if we want to change anything. Arrived at Cambridge Station, nice and early for our train into London. The train is pretty much empty.
Victoria has no step-free access. The Metropolitan...
Looking for coach E. The journey begins. It's a long, long train to Glasgow. And there we are, 4.5 hours later, Glasgow Central. Walking to platform 12. Air station, going up and over to platform 3 for our final train of the day.
Gap between the train and the platform as you leave the train. Please ensure that you take your luggage and personal belongings with you when leaving the train.
So they take you right out to the edge of what would have been a port, and they make you walk all the way back to the town centre. Stranraer was clearly a big commercial port at some point. And now it looks like it's just a little bit of leisure. Last bit. Our accommodation is one of these houses on the left. This is the view from our window of our bedroom.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.